Back in Brunswick, we are here to do a tenant inspection. Playground looking nice and pretty. Good morning, how you doing? I am Chris Thompson here in Brunswick to do a tenant inspection. These people moved in 6 months ago, so we're gonna go check it out, see how they're taking care of the place. See you on the inside. Crazy to think that the grass needs to be cut already. Outside of that, front yard looks good. Bottom screw needs to be adjusted. Not hitting the top rail. Just finished up here on Peach Orchard in Brunswick. Tenants are taking great care of the place. Got a couple little maintenance stuff to take care of, but overall, great tenants. Especially after the last tenants that the owners had in here before they hired me for property management. So, owner's gonna be happy about this one. Take care. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.